That was V8 for a Mount Victoria via Swingwood service. Hello everyone, my name is Stephen and welcome back to Macca's Transport Vlogs. This is vlog 7 and I am here at Emu Plains to film some trains here for you guys. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Central service now departing from platform 1. The vehicle cars are V28. I'm having some technical issues with my phone. I couldn't film it arriving, but half of it arriving. Its next stop will be Penrith, followed by Blacktown, Parramatta, Strathfield, and Central.
Then Roseville, Linfield, Killara and Gordon.
I'm not going to be able to get that much trains here and change the plans. I will most likely be able to get that V7 arriving into platform 2 because my train is in 55 minutes. Yeah, so I'll probably get 1, 2, 3 and 4 trains, 5, 6 trains in this video. So that's one of the reasons why I don't really like coming to these kind of stations, is because trains aren't that frequent and I hate sitting around for too long. It gets boring after a while, so yeah. Emu Plains is the end of the suburban rail line network, and all medium trains can't pass a certain point because they're too wide for the mountains. But due to widening of the tracks and platforms, normal size trains are now be able to fit, but certain trains can't because they don't have toilets. Platform 1 is for Central City Terminal services, Gordon, Linfield, I think, and of course Central and Gordon and all that good stuff. I saw a B set in the yard at Penrith, which is weird because I don't really think you would see B sets this far down the line. But yeah, don't know if they're making it frequent anymore, but should get a train here in the next 10 minutes. We have a Gordon via Central service now about to arrive in platform 1. It terminates and then will become a Gordon via Central service.
The train on platform 1 goes to Gordon via Central. First stop Penrith, then all stations to Blacktown, then Seven Hills, Westmead, Parramatta, Lidcombe, Strathfield, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milsons Point, North Sydney, then all stations to Chatswood, then Roseville, Linfield, Killara and Gordon.
Set is A3. This train terminates.
stop with 11 matches at stadiums at Moore Park and Sydney Olympic Park between the 20th of July and the 20th.
Guys, you can head down in the comments section below and just comment where you would like to see me film. And I'll head there. If it's on the Sydney Trains network, like Suburban Network, I will be able to film there very fast. But if it's on the Newcastle line, South Coast line and Blue Mountains line, I will film for you, but it might take a bit longer due to, like I said before, I don't like sitting at a station for ages not filming any trains. I get bored. ADHD, I get bored. Like I would probably use the phone, but I have the charger to charge it, but if it goes flat, I'm screwed.
Gordon via Central.
We have a Gordon via Central service about to depart from platform 1. Next stop will be Parramatta, then all stations to Blacktown, then limited stops to Parramatta, then limited stops to Central, then all stations to Gordon.
The train on platform 1 goes to Gordon via Central. First stop Penrith,
A3
then all
set.
stations.
What is that? So that's like very miniature. We've got 4 cars, 6 cars, 8 cars, and 10 cars, right? It's very small, thin. One over there, a normal size. I don't understand why. Like it even has the strips, right? For where it is. Like there, like see that little line. Has it there. The numbers, but then over there doesn't, so. Yeah. What's the point of that, bro? Come on. We have a Gordon via Central service about to arrive on platform 1.
The train on platform 1 goes to Gordon via Central. First stop Penrith, then all stations to Blacktown, then Seven Hills, Westmead, Parramatta, Lidcombe, Strathfield, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milsons Point, North Sydney, then all stations to Chatswood, then Roseville, Linfield, Killara and Gordon.
We have an Emery plane service about to arrive on platform 1. This train will terminate and then form a Gordon via Central service. The set is A48.
Off with 11 matches at stadiums at Moore Park and Sydney Olympic Park between the 20th of July and the 20th of August. The best way to get to both precincts is by public transport, travel including tickets, and plenty of extra services running. Parking will be very limited at each precinct, so leave your car at home.
Can someone tell me in the comment section below what is the point of these trains coming to Emery Plains when they can just terminate at Penrith? Because I know it's because VSATs, when it's not peak, barely come through here. They come like every 40 minutes. Besides that, I don't see the point. This train departs in 5 minutes, Gordon via Central. Then I have a train in 11 minutes. I was going to film the VSAT on platform 2, but it's been delayed by 6 minutes, so I will probably most likely miss that train. But I'll probably get it at like Penrith once I probably pass me. But yeah.
Closing. Please stand clear.
Gordon via Central service now departing platform 1. The set is A48. Good God. But he's 30 something and he looks like he's 23. It's creepy, bro. Its next stop will be Parramatta, then all stations to Blacktown, then limited stops to Parramatta, limited stops to Central, then all stations to Gordon.
The next train to arrive on platform.
We have a Central via Strathfield service about to arrive into platform 1.
Platform 1 goes to Central. First stop Penrith, then Blacktown, Parramatta, Strathfield and Central. train on platform 2 goes to Lithgow. First stop, Blackstone. Then all stations to
And catched up. V60s to set.
The train on platform 1 goes to Central. First stop, Penrith, then Blacktown, Parramatta, Strathfield and Central.
V31 to set. It's nice chatting with ya. You too. If you guys did enjoy this vlog, don't forget to like and subscribe, turn the bell on so you will be notified every time I put a brand new video. See you guys in the next one. Bye for now.